ibabaw tayo, sayang. Grabe yun.
Ika, 65% na lang bro natin.
To check the time. So our jobs also heavily rely on social media. So I feel like right now I can imagine that but also I miss.
Okay, so ito yung ating setup for New Year Eve 2026. Yan. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano pa yung magiging sunod-sunod, pero explain ko na lang yung bawat fireworks. Tingin ko yung magiging una dito is itong whistle to crackling 36 shot. Yan. So after nyan is ito namang 4-inch na naandito. Hindi ko alam kung mababasa nyo siya, pero ito ay green strobe willow. Ito naman ay silver crown. Tapos ito ay glittering silver. Yan, hindi ko alam kung tama yung basa ko dyan. Yan, after nyan is tingin ko itong Duel of Champions. Yan, 25 shots ng Dragon Fireworks. Okay. So after naman yan is ito namang Flying Dutchman ng LF. 50 shots at to hindi ako sure, pero after nung dalawa is dalawang 6-inch. Una is hindi ko alam mababasa nyo, ito ay Flower Wave with Red Pistil. Ano pangalan? Hindi ko alam. Tapos next naman itong Silver Tiger Tail, white glitter waterfall. Sana maganda yung waterfall nya, parang buhok talaga. So after naman nun is ano nga ba, ko na alam. Ito tong War of the Gods. Yan, Dragon Fireworks. 50 shots. Yan. After naman itong War of the Gods is ano nga ba? Ito na yung natitiran dalawa. Una is itong yung Flower Time Rain, yung pangalan nito eh. Flower Time Rain Willow with Red Mine Pistil. Yun yung pangalan, Red Mine Pistil. Tapos ito naman Crown, wait lang, hindi kita. Ito ay crown chrysanthemum, hindi ko alam, with red crosset steel. Yan. So after nung dalawa is ito naman tayo sa ano, sa dalawa na to. Itong titanium salute yan, pagsasabayin ko yan. Papayroll ko na yan since yan na yung matitira. Nawala yung wago connector eh. Yan. So tatry ko siguro bago matapos to is execute na itong ano, brocade. Yan, itong brocade na to. Yan, bali ilan to, 11 pieces. After nitong 11 is ito namang Dragon Fireworks na triple shooter. Yan, alam nyo na yan. Sure. So yun, tapos na. Mabilis lang to, sigurado mga 3 minutes. Parang tapos na yun. Okay, so ingat guys. And Happy New Year.